Each one of these is a dead bird. Dozens of them.
Hey there. Welcome to Bushwhacked Adventures. Are you ready to journey into the wilderness and explore the great outdoors?
All right, we're going to play a little game with you. I want you to put in the comments what you think that object is out there. Close to the lake. We can't quite tell from here, so we're going to take a walk out there and see what we can find. If you know what it is, drop it in the comments. If you have a guess along the way, drop it in the comments. We'll see who might get it right. From right here, knowing that there's buffalo or bison here on the island, it looks like it could be a bison, but we don't think it is. So we're going to go check it out. All right, we started over there. We're about halfway there right now. It's actually taking a little longer to walk out here than I thought it would. The sand was pretty soft and hard to walk in. Now it's a little more shaly. And easier. What is it? What is that thing? I don't know what it is. So this whole area would normally be underwater if the Great Salt Lake were at its normal level, but it's quite low. Last year it approached a record low, and we had a couple of good water years that have helped to bring it up a little bit, but it's still dropping. The Great Salt Lake is the remnant of an inland sea that was called Lake Bonneville. And this whole area, essentially the entire Wasatch Front area in Utah, used to be underwater many, many years ago. I still have no idea what that is. I mean, there's some patties out here. The bison do come out here, obviously, as you can see. Back in the pioneer days, they'd pick those up when they were a little drier, throw them in a canvas tarp underneath their wagon, and use that to light their fire at night. What is it? Now we're getting to a little sandy, muddy stuff. Still quite passable. You could pick up a couple of nice flat skipping stones out of this stuff. Okay, at this point I'm saying it's a piece of metal. What is it from? Okay. Was it a buoy? Once upon a time? I don't know. Bizarre. That's my guess. I think it was a buoy. And it's so decayed. Great Salt Lake is salt water. It's not fresh water, so the salt probably had a lot of corrosion on it. So it marked this spot for some reason. It's a buoy, not a bison. I think that's it. Is that what you think? A buoy that,
Yeah, that's a buoy.
yeah, it's just so corroded. I mean, I guess buoys out in the ocean, they're in salt water as well, but this one has seen better days. And obviously the water isn't even close to, I don't know, we got another 100 yards or more to walk to get to the water.
Yeah.
Should we go ahead and head out there
Sure.
since we're this close?
Might as well.
Okay, it's a buoy. If anybody guessed that, put it in the comments. You're the winner of the day. I don't know what you want other than bragging rights. You got it right. Little storm over there on the other side of the lake.
There's some birds on the beach here.
Yeah. There's a dead bird.
Look at all the dead birds.
Yeah. They're all through here. Each one of these is a dead bird. Dozens of them. Not sure what caused that to happen.
Well, based on the sign from the gift shop,
Yeah,
bird flu.
bird flu. Okay. Do we want to be here?
I wouldn't be touching them.
No, I'm not going to touch them. Well, there you go. This is the Great Salt Lake in Utah.
I love listening to water.
Yeah, it's just peaceful. Awesome place. Put it on your bucket list. It's a good place to be if you're ever here in this area. We think that one day is enough. We're gonna camp tonight, so we got here 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, something. We'll probably leave around 11 tomorrow or something. We'll see, but one day's enough. We're staying at a place called Bridger Bay. Primitive camping there. Lots of dead birds.
So many.
Okay. See you back at camp.
If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell to receive notifications for future content. That's all, folks. See you on our next adventure.